In today's fast-consuming society, we are starting to understand that we are making an enormous claim on the Earth's natural resources. Imagine what will happen when the rapidly growing world population lives up to the insatiable trend towards consumerism. The cradle-to-cradle philosophy shows that we don't have to choose between economical and ecological prosperity. If we design products more intelligently and use materials more effectively, both business and nature can thrive and grow. Cradle to Cradle is all about following nature's design principles. Waste equals food, keeping all materials in continuous cycles, stimulating the use of renewable energy, and celebrating diversity. By learning from nature's design principles, eco-effective design conceives industrial systems that emulate the healthy abundance of nature. In addition to functionality and beauty, cradle-to-cradle products need to be designed for either the biological or technical cycle. After the product's useful life, materials are carefully disassembled and become nutrients for new products through biodegradation or recycling. Such a system, modeled on the world's riches, can solve rather than just manage the problems industry currently creates. Goodbaby is the largest supplier of children's strollers in the world. Every 3 seconds, a new stroller comes off the production line. And all the while, the company continues its pursuit for innovation. Goodbaby's R&D department works closely with 4 overseas R&D centers around the globe. Over the last 20 years, Goodbaby has complied with many international standards and are now stepping to the forefront by embracing the cradle-to-cradle philosophy and making it a part of their core business. And there are very important reasons to do so, especially since juvenile products have a relatively short lifespan. Babies are the most vulnerable human beings. Goodbaby wants to make sure that our children grow up in a safe and healthy environment and are ensuring this by carefully selecting 100% safe materials for each Goodbaby product. Recycling materials effectively after the product's useful life will improve the living environment for generations to come. In September 2010, Goodbaby started cooperating with IPEA and its founder Michael Braungart, who initiated the cradle-to-cradle concept together with William McDonough. In the long run, this newly set business model aims to create ample benefits on ecological, industrial, social, and economic levels. As a pioneer in the juvenile industry, Goodbaby is the first Chinese manufacturer to implement the cradle-to-cradle concept. Their blueprint for the year 2020 envisions to have all their products comply with the cradle-to-cradle regulations. Fortunately, Goodbaby has many international allies involved in this revolutionary step towards sustainability. All Goodbaby's employees joined the cradle-to-cradle revolution. Workshops and learning sessions are being conducted to master the concept and move as one towards the ultimate goal. Located in the cradle-to-cradle-minded Netherlands, Goodbaby Europe has designed the first cradle-to-cradle product collection, which includes a stroller, high chair, crib, and car seat. Stroller parts are designed for either the biocycle or for the technocycle, depending on the required functionality and looks. Product materials have been carefully selected before being utilized. Each single part contains many different ingredients that all need to be carefully assessed to ensure that it passes the cradle-to-cradle requirements for non-toxic material use. And all the products have been designed for ease of disassembly. Having passed material safety and reutilization, water, and energy usage requirements, the Eco Collection was awarded with cradle-to-cradle silver certificates by IPEA in July 2011. The Eco Collection, growing healthy. Imagine when a child has outgrown a stroller after 2 or 3 years, and instead of discarding it, parents return the product for recycling. A Return Your Stroller campaign could stimulate this process by giving consumers a discount on the next purchase. For example, a Goodbaby bicycle. The returned stroller will then be disassembled and carefully sorted for recycling and reuse by Goodbaby. Besides product designs, Goodbaby is also proactively fine-tuning and complying with working conditions in line with the cradle-to-cradle requirements. They will continue to work meticulously towards a solid future of full implementation of the cradle-to-cradle concept. And we need you to join us to make the cradle-to-cradle dream become reality.